How to change your settings on Twitter. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you the way on how you can change some of the settings that you'd really like from your tweets, to your privacy settings, to your safety settings, to some of the feeds that you see on the Twitter application. I'm going to show you all of those. What I only wanted to do is to stick with me till the end of this video because I will show you exactly step by step. Now first, just make sure to update the Twitter application, and you can do this by launching your respective app store in the search box, typing in Twitter, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. And once you've updated it, I'll just go over and then I will open the Twitter application, and next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now there are basically a couple of things that you can do on Twitter. Now first, let's discuss the setting of our home feed. Let's say we want to change some of the settings that we see on our home page. We can tap on the little sparkle icon on the top right. You can see the option called switch to latest tweets or view content preferences. You could go to content preferences, you could go to explore settings, you could select a country that you would like depending upon your own region. You can select a preferred language and other languages. If you're talking about some of the privacy and safety settings as well, that is also very possible. Just tap on the profile icon which you see on the top left hand side. Here you have to scroll to the bottom and expand the menu called settings and support. As you can see, once you expand this menu, go to this gear icon that says settings and privacy. And once you go to settings and privacy, here you can see option called privacy and safety. So if you want to customize these settings, you could go to audience and tagging as well. You can protect your tweets and make your account private. You could go to your tweets and you could select what kind of tweets you want to be sensitive or not. You can go to content you see and decide what you want to see based on your region and settings. You could also go to mute and block settings, direct setting spaces. Now there are basically a couple of those that you have to go ahead and then look for manually. You also have notification settings, accessibility settings such as display, dark theme, light theme, language, data usages, and so on. And these are simply some of the ways on how you can change your settings on Twitter. Let me know down in the comment section which of these was helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.